Hi everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to draw a cute little bird. It should be pretty easy to draw. Okay, we're going to start first by drawing a sideways letter S. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, and once you do that, then you draw a sideways letter C. And there you go, you already have the basic shape of the bird. Let's see. So then, draw a circle. That is going to be where the eye is. And then for the eyelid, again you draw a sideways letter C. For the beak, draw a sideways letter V shape. And you're almost done. Draw a curved line for a smile. And then for the feathers in the back, you see how those look like letter U's? Sideways letter U's? Not exactly, but they're pretty much letter U shapes. Don't have to be perfect. And then kind of close them off with a sideways letter V shape. Like that. Looks like feathers, doesn't it? Okay, somehow I need to move this paper so you can see. I'm going to draw feet. Okay? So, all you have to do is draw V shapes like that, and then draw a line through the center like that. And then you can do the wing by just doing a cute little wiggly shape like that. And it's a cute little bird. How about we color it in, okay? Let's see, maybe use a pink for the bird. You could use any color that you want. I'm using pink because it's just a silly little bird drawing. Doesn't have to be any color that everyone else draws birds. You just do whatever you like. You could even draw him on or her on a tree branch if you want. Maybe we'll do that. Put him on a tree branch. Okay, let's do that. Move it a little further up. Just draw a line like that. And maybe draw a sideways V shape like that for the branch. And just go like that. Maybe you could even do another V over here if you like. You could color it in brown. Or not. Can't find. Yeah, I found brown. There we go. Or black. I thought it was brown. There you go. Let's see what color we can find for eyes. Let's see. I'm not used to doing videos, so excuse me. I usually do my videos directly on the computer. Some people have been asking me to make some videos where I talk. I'm not crazy about my voice, that's why I don't like doing it, but if it makes you guys happy, I'll do some videos like this. And let's draw the beak. It could be yellow, orange, or whatever color you want. Here's a cute little bird. Maybe even up in the sky you could do a cloud if you want. It's up to you. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed that video. Thanks for tuning in.